What's going on, guys? Day 2 here in Phuket and pretty low energy. Didn't get to sleep much, but we want to go and visit the elephants today, so I'm gonna try to do that. It's at the same place that we were yesterday, around the same Buddha temple area. We'll be heading there now, and yeah, so join us on this journey. It's gonna be a little bit of an adventure. It was raining a little bit today, so hopefully we don't get rained on at all. And yeah, guys, see you there. What's up, guys? So we just stopped off at a little point here where it's pretty nice. Actually, it's like some greenery and stuff like that. We're on our way over to the elephants right now. Ready? Yeah. Okay, guys, so we made it out here. We're at the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary, and it took us about 30 minutes from our hotel to drive over. We saw some cool things. It actually was in a different location, but we saw an elephant place earlier, so we thought it was that, but it's actually in a different location. So yeah, we're just gonna now go and see what these elephants are up to. This is a sanctuary as well, so you don't get to ride them or anything like that. So this is what Sophie wanted to do, and here we are.
Yes, and I'm so excited.
Oh.
This is
Ready?
Yes, you can go to the cafe and check in there.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
And a washer?
This here we no riding, no train, and no we don't torture the elephant.
Okay.
We are protect them.
Okay.
For elephant here, we got from the rescues.
You rescue them?
Yes,
Yeah?
from like riding camp, show camp, and tracking like that.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good.
For make them happy life.
Yeah, thank you. That's very good. Thank you. So you should have heard what he said about the sanctuary. I asked him like, can he give me a rundown? He said that they basically rescue elephants from the shows and the riding camps.
From the shows?
Yeah. Like, you know, the carnivals and shows.
Yeah.
And then what they'll do is bring them here to, like, you know, nurse them to health, and they don't ride them, they treat them well.
Like institute that goes against
the ethical sanctuary for
yeah.
The cafe. Sawadee krab.
You have booking already?
Yes.
Okay, just a moment, please.
Okay.
You can get free soft drink after finish the program.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Free soft drinks. Nice. Does it include coffee?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Wow, right. The River Road.
Thai hotel.
Thai, yes. So I was reading no riding, so I put Ride Hotel.
Ride Hotel.
Right hotel. Okay, we're gonna ride
Yeah.
hotel.
And I think it's actually Hotel Thai, not Thai Hotel. So you're all mixed up with it.
Too much heat.
Yeah.
Your arm, please.
Sure. Thank you very much. Khop kun krap.
Take video, right?
I'm taking video,
Make
yes.
sure I have to be slim in video.
Okay.
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 You can go now. Follow me.
Yeah.
Okay.
ไว้พี่รอยพี่บอยนู่นเลยว่าเหลืออีก2 คนนะเดี๋ยวพี่มาบอก
May I get more money? That's in the corner inside.
Okay. Gotten all checked in and stuff, so now we're going to see the elephant. Yeah.
Hello, Jimmy. How are you?
Hey.
How are you today, Jimmy?
Jimmy, I don't know how he's doing. How are you doing today?
What is her name, Sarah?
Her name is Sophronia.
Where is Sarah?
I don't know who that is.
I saw you came with Sarah 3 years ago.
Oh yeah, sure. First time to Phuket, so.
You're not the first time. You came here 3 times already.
Oh,
Third time
yeah?
already.
What? You seen me before?
Sarah and Olivier.
No, I don't know who that is.
2 times and next. Oh.
Yeah? And what's your name?
My name.
Yeah,
Are you happy today? You think?
of course.
Chow.
Always.
My name is Chow.
Chow.
So Chow. If you're not happy, my name is Jimmy.
Okay. So that's why you speak to Jimmy.
This guy named Jimmy too.
Okay.
Jimmy A, Jimmy B.
Jimmy A and Jimmy B.
Jimmy B.
Ah, okay. Nice.
This is named Sarah.
Sarah?
Too.
Okay. So are you working here then, huh?
No, I'm the tourist here.
Oh, you're tourist.
I just bought the t-shirt.
Okay.
It's one elephant friendly. Hopefully they're gentle. Ask him they're gentle.
They're gentle?
Some elephants.
Oh, okay.
Some of them.
Yeah?
The only not nice person is him.
Some of them.
Well, I'm glad I'm not with him then, alright? Here they are. Woo!
You wash hand already,
Yes,
right?
I wash my hands, yeah.
Sorry.
Wash your hand, yeah.
Yes. Okay, gotta wash your hand for the elephant. Be super clean. Okay. Hello, Sawadee-krap. They're hungry now, huh? Okay.
A little bit like this, not hold like this, not do like this, because that is easy for them grab your hand.
Okay, so like this.
Yes, okay. And keep them under the trunk, not keep trunk, under the trunk. When the food drop on the ground, you don't take it up because sometimes they think you can you try steal food of them.
Oh.
They can slap you.
Okay.
I love
Okay.
this smells, but it's
You
not
heard
one.
that? You heard that? Don't pick it up off the ground or else they think they'll slap you.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's sure you don't stand behind them because they can't see you. You can
Yeah.
stand only this side, they can see you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I show you how to feed
Yes,
them.
please.
Okay, please. Yeah.
Yeah, put a little bit, one more time.
Thank you. Oh, so nice. So nice.
Okay.
You go first, baby. Go ahead.
Feed them.
Yes.
Okay.
He's hungry. He's hungry.
Mana.
Go ahead, baby.
He's getting confused. Okay,
Go to that one.
that one.
Okay. All right, let me feed one. Here you go, buddy.
Like they understand.
So nice. You feed the small one as well. Hungry. Hey! They're so nice. They're so majestic, you know, and strong, but gentle giants. Love them. Here you go. He's a big one, huh? Yeah. You don't like that. Hey!
You want to take photo close up with them?
Yeah, I do. You want to take photo close up with him?
Yeah.
Okay. Her. Oh, okay.
Ready?
Okay, yeah.
So, let's go.
Okay. Oh.
For which side, baby? We're confusing him.
Close to them like this.
Yeah.
Hey. There you go, buddy. He has a bunch already. He has a bunch right now. I think he wants more. How's it going, baby? I know, he's not getting any love, huh? Or she? How do you tell if it's a girl or a boy? That's what I want to know. Oh, you fell. It dropped. Yeah, let's bring some bananas. Oh, so nice. I'm so glad that they actually, like, you know, take care of the elephants around here, and yeah, it's really good to see. They look really well kept. Yeah.
Stand those for sitting.
No, just standing, I think. Yeah, they are. They're hanging out, chilling out.
But look at his skin. Why is his skin like that?
So we just got finished with the tour, and it was really nice, you know, just to see the elephants and stuff.
Yeah,
You
it's
enjoyed
very
it?
nice. Yeah.
She really had her moment with the elephants.
I want to be an elephant trainer now. I want to chase the.
Yeah, exactly. But it was a bit short for us, but I think it cost 900 baht. So 1,000 baht is around 23 KYD, which is 26 euros. I'll put it on the screen right now so you can see. And yeah, so in our country, if there was something like this, it would be very expensive. Yeah, we're loving it out here in Thailand, and just the prices and the way they do things, you know. What's going on, everyone? I actually hope that that you can hear this. Just took a dip with the GoPro, but yeah, back at the hotel now, just having a little dip in the pool. We'll be getting ready soon to head over to watch a Muay Thai fight, so yeah, excited about it. I've been training Muay Thai for quite a while, so this will be very nice. Yeah, beautiful day. It's been nice. Got a chance to go by the elephant sanctuary. That's a big dip. So what's going on, guys? So unfortunately, we went by the Muay Thai place tonight, and after riding for 30 minutes and back and forth, we finally got there. And unfortunately, it wasn't any Muay Thai tonight because like a bank holiday or something like that. So yeah, no Muay Thai today, unfortunately. But we ended up just going to a bar near Patong. So Patong Beach is more like the touristy area. So if you're coming to Phuket, I would suggest that if you like you know, more of like party and I guess, you know, people, touristy type of stuff, then yeah, go out to Patong. But if you like more tranquil and that sort of thing, this hotel that we're in, Hotel Tide, is really a great option. We had a great time here, and unfortunately we didn't get to see the Muay Thai, but you know, it happens. So, you know, we just adjusted. But anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and share it with somebody. All right. So yeah, signing off. See you guys later.